This festive season, cherish every moment and share the captivating essence of Deepavali with easy to prepare sweets presented by Culinary Hub. Using easily available ingredients, you can prepare not one but two royal treats and ditch the elaborate recipes. I have kept the ingredients ready. I'll be preparing Badam Peda as well as Badam Laddoo using the same mixture. For the details regarding the measurement of the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I will add a little amount of saffron strands to lukewarm milk so that the milk get infused with saffron flavor. I'll be needing 1 cup of almonds for this recipe. I have already soaked it and peeled it. Since we are not using much of liquids, I will powder the sugar. The almonds go to the blender jar and I will grind it such that they are neither too coarse or very fine. It should look something like this. To begin the process of cooking, I'll be adding saffron infused milk to a pan. Then I'll be adding skimmed milk powder and dissolving it. If the brand of skimmed milk powder you're using says it should be dissolved in cold milk, then you can do so. Once the milk powder has dissolved, I'll be adding a little amount of freshly ground green cardamom powder. Then I'll be adding the powdered sugar. Mix it thoroughly and heat it for around 2 minutes. Then for a rich flavor, I'll be adding desi ghee, and finally the ground almonds. The almonds tend to soak up the liquid quickly, so I'll be heating it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the mixture cools, it solidifies. This is the consistency I need. So I'll stop heating and the mixture has cooled thoroughly. I can roll it up in desired shape. I decided half the mixture I'll roll it up into laddoos. The badam and kesar laddoos taste really divine. The other half of the mixture I thought of preparing pedas. And for that festive look, I'll be decorating with little amount of silver foil, chopped almonds and saffron strands. Once again, have a happy and a safe Deepavali and show us your love by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.